MG-Nrega 2005. 2005 Parliament enacted the Act. 2006 it started in 200 districts. 2008 launched in whole country as Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Ministry of Rural Development. Under Ministry of Rural Development, it is a centrally sponsored scheme. Core of the core scheme, it is does not 100% funded by Union government. Central Employment Guarantee Council under chairmanship of Rural Development Minister. It advises Union government on all matters related to MG-Nrega implementation. Central Employment Guarantee Council is for the advisement of all the matters related to MG-Nrega to Rural Development Ministry. MG-Nrega promises to give minimum 100 days of unskilled manual labor to rural households. There is one question in which it is said that MG-Nrega is for individual but not it is for the households, as here written, whose adult members volunteer for it. Households are eligible for unemployment allowance if employment not provided within 15 days of demand. Manrega laborers are used for creating durable assets as per local needs like ponds, wells, cattle sheds, granary, vermicompost plants, crematorium, renovation of Anganwadi centers, school buildings, playground. No contractors or machinery allowed. Minimum 60% of the work in every district needs to be directly linked with agriculture and allied activity. In any project, 60% of amount should go towards wages and 40% towards material. Union bears 100% wage cost. And 75% material cost. Over the 5 crore households have taken employment under scheme. More than 50% of MG-Nrega workers are women. From 2018 to 22, social audit of MG-Nrega work is done by Gram Sabha once in every 6 months. MG-Nrega wages are linked to Consumer Price Index, agricultural laborer. Please remember it. It is linked to CPI, agricultural laborer. In Corona, MG-Nrega daily wages are increased from 182 to 202. Highest daily wage is in Haryana. In 2024-25, it is 374 in Haryana, and lowest daily wage in Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland, 234. All India average is 289 rupees.